Hello friends, I'm Sagnik and you're watching Cyber Sagnik Tricks YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how to install metasploit in termux in Android for 2025. Okay, so before watching this video, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest tricks. Okay, so without time waste, let's start the video. First of all, what if you type? If you type, as you can see here, apt update -y and apt upgrade -y. This okay. It could take a time little bit. Okay, so if you install it will install in few seconds or it could take a time. Okay, so as you can see here, it's installed. Now what you have to type pkg install git -y. Okay, then it installed. Now to type apt install python. Yes, just follow the comments and listen, don't skip this video because all comments in this video. Okay, so apt install python, then apt install python 2. Now as you can see here, it finished. Now what if you type here, simple, this pkg install wait curl open ssh. Okay, pkg install wget curl curl open ssh, then enter. Now after that, now what you have to type here, you have to type here apt install this. Okay, then paste means, then enter. After enter, what you have to type here is wget. Now as you can see here, this link I will give you in the comment section. You can copy and paste here. Okay, wait, then paste here. Okay, it could take a time. So look, after that what you have to type, you have to type here ls for simple process. Okay, now I have to type chmod plus x metasploit. I have to copy and paste here. Okay, now ls, as you can see here, it activate. Now I have to type here bash, copy and paste. So as you can see here, it started successfully. Metasploit in termux gush mazuko. Okay, this way it started. It may take little bit or little time for working. Okay, in this way you can install metasploit. Okay, for work or any usage. Okay, this is the best trick of 2025, and these commands, use these commands, it will work properly. If you face any problem, you can telegram me in ramcharan2m. Okay, so in this way you can use. Okay, after that, if you want to use properly, then you have to type msf console. Okay, after that, if you want to use metasploit, then you have to do type msf console. Okay, that's it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and share this video for latest tricks. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.